guys, it's Gina. I am super excited to share this talking, singing giraffe that the brand sent over to me today. It's absolutely cute. My sister and I have been sitting here playing with this. So first of all, if you have a little one who, of course, I'm sure most little ones do, but love listening to music being played, if they love hearing their voice being played back, if you've got a little one that just loves fun little dancing and singing animals, this is a great product for you. So I want to show you the specifics on it first. So it does have, you will unscrew it here and put in 3 AAA batteries. And then there's a switch here at the bottom that is the off-on switch. I have it turned off right now so I can kind of explain to you how the whole thing works. On the front, if you want to record something and have it play back, you will push here to put it in the recording mode. If you want it to sing a song, you will press here and it will sing a song. So I will have it sing some of the songs and I'll kind of pause the video between because you don't want to have to listen to all the songs, but I've heard it play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, the ABC song, Happy Birthday, but I'll let one play for just a few seconds and then I'll pause the video while it finishes. I did also turn the volume down, so I may have to turn that up. But now let me put it in recording mode and let you hear how you can talk to it, and then it'll talk back. It'll repeat back whatever you said. Hello, beautiful.
Hello, beautiful.
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Love you too.
As you guys can see, this is really, really cute. I don't really know of anyone that wouldn't love this because I have enjoyed playing with it myself. So this is a great fun. I'm thinking even a fun shower gift or a birthday gift. This is super fun. Talking, singing giraffe, and it feels super soft. It looks like it's really well made. If I'm going to show you up close, the stitching and everything on here is really well done. Again, here on the front, this is for music. This is to record. Then you have the plus and down for the volume buttons. One last bit of information. If you have it on the music part, it will play one song and then it automatically reverts to recording mode. So it has a total of 10 songs that it plays, but it does do this feature, which I like, so that you don't have a toy stuck somewhere upstairs that's just playing endlessly. That's not going to happen. So if you are looking for a fun talking, singing giraffe in your life, this one is a lot of fun. Definitely one to check out.